Now here is a luxury cruiser at Unique Specialty and Classics. 1995 Cadillac Fleetwood Brougham sedan. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, confirmed actual miles. Just a little over 111,000 on this one. Of course, the 5.7 liter LT1 V8 underneath the hood, power steering, power brakes, AC, white exterior. I believe it is Bordeaux red interior, they considered it. We'll check that out in just a bit. You can see this car from every angle, undersides, interior, engine bay. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. You can see the still pictures. 507-386-1726, number to call. Riding on the correct Cadillac wheels, white wall radials. Few touch-up spots on the car. Where was it? There's a little spot over here on the front. You can see that. Take a look down the passenger side here. But I've not noticed any major nicks, dings, scratches. Especially considering the car's coming up on 30 years old now. Nice condition. But you can tell it's adult owned and well maintained, no doubt about that. As we look at the passenger side, interior shows just as well. And I'll get around to the driver's side. We can check that out a little closer. Of course, the split bench, leather seat, and then the vinyl top matches the interior, kind of that deep burgundy color, or I believe, like I said, it was Bordeaux red. GM considered it. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Of course, their backup lights would be incorporated right here above the bumper. Filler panels look like good shape. One little portion of the rub strip missing here. Of course, rear wheel drive, and these goes down the highway or interstate very nicely. Great ride to them with a longer wheelbase. And obviously, they don't make them like this anymore. Once again, UniqueClassicCars.com. Check out all the still pictures. If you're into these Cadillac sedans, luxury vehicles, maybe just like classics in general, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you may see get uploaded. As far as the videos go, they're uploaded daily. And when these videos are uploaded, the cars are available to purchase on our website, of course, online or in person if you make it and see our showroom. We'd love to see you. And driver's side, you can see, again, not any major nicks, dings, or scratches. There was a couple little ones, if you look just right in the door down here, where there's some small ones maybe from opening into something, but again, not bad. That's pretty fussy considering this car is a 95. Let's take a peek at the rear seats. Of course, ample seating area in these. Very rich looking interior in that deep color. It's like leather's nice back there. Of course, you would have your lighted vanity mirrors in the back with the Brougham. Fold down armrest, as you can see, front and rear. Listen to that door close. All right, and then of course your modern amenities with your power seat, both sides, power windows, locks, power mirrors. You have heated seats, power lumbar over here on the driver's side. And look at this, is actually worn very evenly and nicely. And again, this is just the wrinkles from the leather, natural hide wrinkling as it's worn, kind of like a expensive, comfortable pair of shoes. All right, let's go ahead and fire this up. First off, so there's your exact miles, 111,071. No warning indicators, check engine lights, anything like that. Just telling me to push the brake in to put it into gear. And then a seatbelt light over here is all. Radio works. That arrow where it would be AM, FM cassette. Electronic climate control, what I like to call the navigation system back in '95. Compass on the dash. Dash looks good. Not sun-baked, cracked, discolored. You can tell this car was stored indoors, no doubt about that. Slip to the back and let's see if we can hear this run. It's pretty quiet. Considering that's powered by a 5.7 liter V8, nice quiet car. Of course, automatic with overdrive transmission paired up with that 5.7 liter. Let's slip up to the front. I want to pause this a second. Sorry about the noise in the background. Detail department is hard at it, getting more cars ready to picture and get online. So stick around, we'll check out the engine bay, and we will also take this car for a drive at the end of the video if you want to see how it goes down the road. All right, there's a look at the underside of the hood. Hood liner very clean. Doesn't really look like this car has been driven in inclement weather much. Considering miles, engine bay, you know, you don't see the corrosion, rust. Lots of times you'll see on the engine bays, been in the elements. Yeah, just take a look at how clean that is. There it is. Tuned, I should say port fuel injection on this one. And again, LP1, 5.7 liter V8. So nice, clean, tidy engine bay. Looking good. Clean Carfax. No accidents indicated in this 1995 Cadillac Fleetwood Brougham sedan. Call us 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. This vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a 1995 Cadillac Fleetwood. The AC is blowing cold. This digital dash is working as it should. The fuel gauge showing about 1/4 of a tank. We have a digital speedometer working well. Nice quiet ride from this car. Smooth acceleration. Smooth ride, of course. Not feeling any of those bumps in this Cadillac. It is a comfortable ride. Leather bench seat, very comfortable. Factory stereo. With cassette player, I have not tested the cassettes, but the FM is working excellent. Kind of a wine-colored interior, very nice color. Cruise control functioning as it should. We have multi-position power seats for the driver in this car, as well as the passenger. Brakes are working well. Corners nicely, very easy to steer, excellent power steering. Probably one of the last years for that hood ornament, the classic Cadillac hood ornament. Nice throttle response. Very nice Cadillac. Take a look at all the pictures and learn about this car at UniqueClassicCars.com.